Hello, my friends. Come with me to see how a Chinese noodle chef makes noodles by hand. This kind of noodle making is called la mian in Chinese cuisine world, and this art of making noodles leaves the noodles al dente with a fantastic texture. Now sit back and enjoy the show. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos.
菜盒子。你的面也好了，回来拿。牛肉面
也是拉出来的吗？
对。
So this is the outcome of the noodles. This is pure and literally fresh, made within last minute or two. And what's nice about these noodles is that it is very al dente. When you bite into it, it has a snap, so which is really, really good. So it's unlike the ones you get from the supermarket, where it kind of tastes soggy sometimes. This is not. So this is actually called la mian in Chinese, which is called pulled noodle. So if you have this in your city, I would highly suggest you try it because the noodle is just out of this world. So there you have it. This is the noodle we are talking about that you just saw them make. Hi everybody, we have a special introduction this week. This week's small channel introduction is Dreaming of Disney, and they are our 500th subscriber. Go to their channel and check them out. They have a family-friendly channel, and I am sure you will enjoy it. Have fun.